Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm go ahead to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. These are commercial Immersion blenders. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For these hood sticks, they are about like 12 inches in total. And these handlebars, they are almost about like 13 and 3¼ inches long. As we can see, the unit stickers, they are on the body side. They give you the ETL sanitation stickers, and units using the 110. So the manufacturer give you the plug, standard 110 plugs right here, and also they're using the powers about like a 350 watts. When we look in the bottoms, we can see they have a triangle size, like a 3 blades at the bottom right here. And also we see the handles. We can see they do have a power switch right here, a lock bar here, and this one is for the emergency stops. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.